Okay, I'm now ready to cut the flare for the lower part of my peplum. You know the length of the peplum blouse is 24 and the upper part to the waistline is 15 inches. So 15 minus 20, 24 minus 15 is 9. So that's going to be the length of my peplum of the flare. 9 inches, then remember I'm going to add 1 inch allowance to it, to the length. That makes 10 inches. Now for the circumference of my flare, the waistline is 30 inches. I will add 2 inches to it, 2 inches or 2.5 for the zipper allowance and the turning. So that makes 32 inches. So how do I get a circumference of 32 inches? I'll divide it by 4. That makes 8 inches because I'm going to fold the pattern into 4. That's why we are doing the division by 4. So now I have a circumference of 8 inches against the length of 10 inches. Like I did previously, I'm going to do a little calculation to get where my circumference, what my circumference will be. So I'm going to start with length of 4.5. If you don't understand this, make sure you watch my video on how to cut a flare for sleeve. So I want to try 4.5 to see if I can get my 8 inches circumference. Let me see if I can get it with 4.5. So let me see if it will give me 8 inches, almost there. So I have like 7.5. So let me use 5 inches. Let me use 5 inches. This is the way you'll be practicing it too. And whenever you arrive at anything, make sure you have a jotter where you jot it. So when next you need to cut a flare, you can make reference to it. So I'm using 5 now. Okay, so let me check what 5 inch will give me. Okay, so here I have 8 inches and like a quarter. So this one is okay for me to get my 32 overhaul round sleeve roundness for my waistline. So this is okay for me. So what is the length that I have here? I have 5 inches. Then I'm going to have 10 inches for the length of the flare, making a total of 15 inches. So the next thing for me to do now is to fold my pattern. So I'm folding. So I need a length of 15 inches folded. So this is 15 inches. Then I'm going to check 15 inches to across. Then I'll fold into So I'm folding into 4 now. Don't mind the paper that I did not want to fold. So let me check it. Okay, so I have 15 inches here now. I think it's remaining just a little. It must be complete. If it's more, it's okay, but it must not be less. So let me check it again. So I have 15 inches here now. Remember that I need 15 inches for the total length of the flare that I want to cut. So I'm going to check 15 inches all around. When you are folding your fabric too, this is the way you are going to fold it. You first of all fold into 2, then you fold into 4. Check where I'm starting from. So I need 15 inches circumference first. $15. Yes, I'm done to the head. So I'll connect the dots. So that's the first thing. I'm going to cut it out first. cut it finish. Okay, so I have my circumference now. Then I'll now measure my 5 inches. 5. I'll take it all round. Then I'll cut it too, and that will be the completion of my flare. So I have my flare now. For the peplum blouse, I'm opening it up on one side, and I'll go and use this pattern to cut my fabric and my lining.